How to use Facebook Watch Party feature. To use the Facebook's Watch Party feature, first of all, you have to understand that it has been officially discontinued, and then you can no longer create a shared video queue to stream public pre-recorded clips simultaneously with friends or group members. However, you can still host live co-watching experiences using Messenger Watch Together or leverage external third-party tools, which you can find from your web browser. So first things first, to use this Messenger's Watch Together feature, you have to launch the Messenger application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is go ahead and then tap on the existing group chat. Once you open it, tap on the video camera icon on the top right corner. Then once your friends join the live stream, you simply have to go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the call options menu tray. Tap the Watch Together button, browse the categorized tabs, or use the search bar to locate a public Facebook video. Tap on your chosen video asset to play it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.